Hello to news enthusiasts and followers, let's get straight to the details. Slate Auto. Meet the company building Jeff Bezos' $25,000 EV truck. Affordable electric trucks have mostly been an oxymoron thus far. The cheapest model currently on sale is the Ford F-150 Lightning. However, a new Michigan-based EV startup, with substantial backing from Jeff Bezos, aims to change that. Slate Auto doesn't have much of an online presence yet, beyond a barebones website. However, according to a report from TechCrunch, the brand plans to launch a new electric truck into production next year.